Computer Practical 2021, which is going to be held on April 8, 2021. The main highlight of the examination this time is that we have got the planning session on April 8th. The writing session is on another day. So 1.5 hours of planning session is held on April 8th. Which are topics we should prepare? That is the main question which comes in the mind of the teachers as well as the students. As far as years of teaching and years of question papers are concerned, we could say that the questions are asked from 3 different topics here. The 3 different topics are, the first one is number-based or date-based program. The second one is array-based program and the third one is a string-based program. From the 3 topics, we can select any one of the topic and we can do that practically as well as in the planning session. We can write the program and submit that. So when we do that, the students should have a very clear idea about the concept behind these type of programs and how it is working. For that, it is advisable to practice similar type of questions which have been asked in previous years so that they could easily develop their logic and they could get the output very easily. Without practice, it is very difficult to form the logic and do it all of a sudden, since practice makes man perfect. As far as the practical exam is concerned, we should have the first algorithm part. Algorithm is actually the step-by-step form by which the student is writing the program which he is going to do it practically. The algorithm may be different for different students. Even the program code can be different for different students. It is not necessary that the same method should be used by every student. Only thing is, if we are doing that and if we are getting the output correctly, then it is fine that our logic is correct and we are able to get the output correctly. So how to do that? For doing that, even we have a few days ahead of us. So I would recommend the students to practice the previous year's practical examination question paper, and the topics are given here on the board based on whichever topic they are confident enough, those topics they can practice more and more. But the advisable method from my side is that you should prepare 2 topics. The one topic which you find very difficult, you just avoid that. But 2 topics you prepare nicely, because if any of the topics which you have prepared is easy, then you could approach that. Some students may find that string is very difficult for them, so they can avoid string but practice array, number-based or date-based programs. If a student is finding difficulty to study array, then he can study number-based program as well as he could study the date-based and the string. So like that, if you plan accordingly and think wisely, it is very easy to score the marks. The marks is out of 30, and in which 15 mark will be the internal evaluation and the 15 mark will be from the practical examination part. And this time Viva is not there, it is cancelled. So maximum practice you can do and you will get good marks. So I wish you a very good success in the coming practical examination. And if you want to have any help regarding the practice or regarding the preparation part, please comment. Otherwise, please send in the description box given so that I could help you in this issue. So I hope this video is helping you a lot in the preparation of ISE practical examination. And again, I wish a very big success for all the students who are going to write this. Now, as far as the planning section is concerned, how the planning session is being done. In the planning session, 1.5 hours is allotted for the planning session, and in that session we are supposed to write the algorithm as well as the program code. Both these will be written in that 1.5 hours stipulated time. Now, in the practical session of 1.5 hours, we have to do the program, then we should get the output also and take the printout of the program as well as the output, and we have to give that along with the program code which have been already written in the booklet, and we have to give everything to the supervisor as well as the external examiner. So this is the way how we have to do. So first day only this algorithm and the program code, and the second day we have to do it practically. We have to get the output as well as the program code, and both the output and the program code we have to take the printout and give so that it will be sent to the board for evaluation after the evaluation is done by the external examiner, and for the final result we have to add the practical mark as well as the theory mark. So please plan accordingly and do hard work to get a very good result. Thank you.